Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can create services chart like this in Elementor. To create services chart like this, first you have to log into your dashboard. I will log into my dashboard. Now once you log into your site, first of all you have to add a plugin. For this, go to plugins and click on add new. Search PAFE. Here you find this Piotnet Addons for Elementor. This plugin doesn't have much brighter stars, but it will done our work. I already installed it. Update needed now, but I will not update now. Just I will go back to my dashboard. Now I will go to pages. Create a new page if you want to add this chart in a new page. For existing page, select page and click on edit with Elementor. Now in the Elementor editor, go to place where you want to add this table. I want to add this table above these Google reviews, so I will click on this plus button and again click on this plus button, add a single row. Now I will add a spacer here, so it will make a gap between our hero section and the chart. Now I will go to section settings and here I will give it box width to 775 bit. Now I will go to elements, close the basics, pro, general, and here you can see the PAFE free widgets, PAFE table. Drag this widget into your column. Here you have different layouts, but it will not show right now, so I will select layout 1. Now go to header. Go to head. I will add 3 head here. First of all, I will add benefits. Now click on add new. Here I will add gold, and next I will add silver. Now the head title was added. Now I will go to body. Here first of all I will click on add new item. Type, I will select row. Leave it. Go to next and add new. Now I will select column. Now here in text box I will add text. Go to your chart and I will copy this text and paste it here. Now I will collapse this and add a new column. In text I will copy this checkbox and paste here. Now again I will add another column and paste it here. Now I will add all this content in my table and then I will show you how to style it. Now I have added this content. Now I will style this table. Go to style. Here you can change its width like that, but I will make it 100%. Go to head style. Here you have typography settings. I will not change the typography settings, just I will change the text color. I will make it white. Background color, I will go to this page and I will check the color picker extension and copy the color code. Now I will paste code here. Now it will appear like that. Now collapse this and go to first column style. I will just change the first column background color to white. Now it will appear like that. You can also change the column style. These columns background, you can make it this one, anyone that you want, but I will leave it to default. Now I will just update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now click on Review Changes. Now scroll down. As you can see, you have successfully added your services chart into your page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If you want to get more videos like that, please subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.